So hello everyone and guys, welcome to the another important session of the government schemes. First of all, I wish you all a very happy new year. I hope many of you have now taken some dreams that you want to achieve this year. You have noted down your goals of this year. But I would suggest only one thing, guys, that noting down is not an important thing. You should be fascinated about your goals that you want to achieve. Because I just want to give you a recent example of T. Gukesh, the youngest chess champion who belongs from India. You might have seen his video where he was telling some years back that what is the dream you want to achieve or what is the thing you want to achieve. He said, I want to become the youngest world chess champion. Look at the thing. He has created a history by becoming the youngest world chess champion. Okay, so if you are also fascinating about your goals and you are dreaming about your goals, you are working really hard for your goals, guys, definitely you will also achieve your goals. So that is the one thing I would say that should be your new year resolution, because we always make resolutions, but the point is where we lack is we make a resolution, lot of things, but we do not commit ourselves. We have to commit ourselves. बस पूरा झोंक दो अपने आप को और लग जाओ अपनी तैयारी की तरफ. So this was, I would say, this should be the goal for this year. And now let's come back to our scheme session. So today we are also going to discuss a very important scheme on this new year, that is the MSME ZED Sustainable Certification Scheme. Now I would say about this specific scheme, guys, this again talks about from the vision that Prime Minister of India has with regards to the most important thing in terms of productivity is products के बारे में सबसे important point क्या होता है? Zero defect, zero effect. Because we have seen that many a times what we have seen is the products which India is manufacturing that got rejected. What's the reason for rejection? Can you tell me? First and the foremost thing, सोचो क्या होगा रिजेक्शन. सबसे पहला, क्वालिटी इज नॉट गुड. इट शुड बी क्वालिटी ड्रीवन. दूसरी बात क्या है भाई, आपको डिफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट्स जो मिल रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल जीरो चाहिए. कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस, क्योंकि कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट में जा रहे हो, दैट शुड बी द थिंग. उसी बेस पे ही गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने स्कीम लॉन्च की थी, ठीक है, दैट वाज इन द ईयर 2022, जहां पे ऑब्जेक्टिव सिंपल था कि हमें अपने जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उसको क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन करना है. ऑब्वियसली वी नीड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ असिस्टेंस ऑल्सो. हम कहीं ना कहीं सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोवाइड करना चाहते हैं, लोगों को अवेयर करेंगे, ट्रेन करेंगे, some sort of subsidies we are going to give to the people, so that you should work on this thing that हमें जीरो डिफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट बनाना और क्वालिटी ड्रिवन प्रोडक्ट बनाना है. उसी बेस पे जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, गवर्नमेंट ने ये स्कीम लॉन्च की थी, दैट इज बाय द नेम ऑफ MSME ZED स्कीम, सेंट्रल सेक्टर स्कीम. अब देखो करना क्या चाहते हो. आपने बोला कि मुझे तो जीरो डिफेक्ट जीरो इफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, तो व्हाट शुड बी द फर्स्ट थिंग? व्हाट यू विल डू इज यू विल एनकरेज देम. पहला काम तो आपने एनकरेज करना. वही चीज यहाँ पे भी कि आपने एनकरेज किया MSMEs को that please manufacture quality product. Encourage MSMEs for manufacturing of quality products. What to do? Use latest technology, tools and constantly upgrade the process. That's the most important thing. क्योंकि हमें भी यही बोला जाता है, अगर हम अपने आप को चेंज नहीं कर रहे with the new things, we might not be able to compete. That's the point here. Change them. And your result should be on achieving high quality and high productivity with least effect on environment. It should be sustainable also. Then when you want to encourage the MSMEs, what MSMEs demand from you? They demand an ecosystem. That's what I think. Develop an ecosystem for the ZED manufacturing in MSMEs so that competitiveness and exports can be enabled here. तो ये काम करो. अब अगर कोई MSME के लिए आप इकोसिस्टम बना रहे हो और कोई अच्छा काम कर रहा है तो promote them also. Promote adoption of ZED practices and recognize the efforts of successful MSMEs. ठीक है, recognize them also. Then when you are promoted and recognized, then encourage them to achieve higher ZED certification. It's not that they have done something, they develop an ecosystem, you are promoting them, but also encourage them, okay, go for more and more ZED certifications. Now this is about MSMEs. ये हो गया. What about the common people? Common people should also, they said, make aware, increase public awareness also on demanding the zero defect and zero effect product. They should not be defective and it should not be affecting the environment also. That is why it is known as zero defect and zero effect product. Sorry guys. Okay, now also with this thing, also identify the areas to improve, ठीक है, assisting the government and policy decision making. That should be done at regular interval. वही चीज है कि आपको अपने आप को regularly upgrade करना है. Okay, so this is the basic thing. Now for this purpose, what the government is doing is, government said we will be working on industry awareness. We would be training the people, assessing and certifying them. Certification will be done here. hand holding them, providing them some sort of incentives, campaign, advertisement and digital platform. This is something you will be feeling कि सर ये तो हमने पहले ही पढ़ा, कहां पे पढ़ा था? लीन स्कीम, वहां पे हम लीन टेक्निक्स की बात कर रहे हैं कि इस तरह से उनको बेटर करना है. यहां पे हम जीरो डिफेक्ट्स की बात करें, ये चीजें कॉमन ही रहती हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ, if you go see with any scheme of MSME, you will say these are common things. Industry awareness, training, assessment, that's a common thing. Okay? Now, the important thing is, first of all, in terms of encouraging them. So, we say ZED certification, MSMEs, what they can do is they could reduce the wastage, increase productivity and enhance the environmental consciousness here. Similar thing we want to discuss in the MSME lean scheme also, कि वहां पे हम productivity करना चाहते हैं, environmental sustainable चीज बनाना चाहते हैं. Reduction should be the thing here. Now, the certification would be attained at 3 levels. What are the levels here? Bronze, silver and gold. These are the 3 levels of certifications that is going to be given here. Now, certification, you said we will be incentivizing them. So, they will be getting subsidy on the cost they are borrowing to get the ZED certification or to develop a product with ZED certification. So for micro enterprises, 80% will be the subsidy. For small, 60%, and for medium, it will be 50%. That's the subsidy amount here. Now, if in addition to that, if it is an enterprise owned by women, SC, ST, or it is based in northeastern region, Himalayan region, or the aspirational districts, you will get additional 10% subsidy. On the other hand, if that unit is set up in Safurti, if it's a Safurti or MSME Cluster Development Program unit. So I've discussed both the schemes, Safurti also and MSME CDP. I hope you have watched those videos. If you have not watched those videos, guys, please do watch those videos also. इनको भी देख लीजिए. ठीक है जी. अब अगर ये यूनिट्स यहां पे हैं सफूर्ती और सीडीपी के अंदर, तो आपको एडिशनल 5% मिल जाएगा. सफूर्ती में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? दैट इज ट्रेडिशनल क्लस्टर्स. ठीक है जी. यहां पे हम सीएफसी की बात करके आए थे, कॉमन फैसिलिटी सेंटर्स आर गोइंग टू बी सेट अप हियर, है ना? So also do let me know about that also in the comment section with regards to both the schemes, Safurti and MSME CDP. In terms of cluster development program, do let me know about the common facility center, the project cost, and the government contribution. Do let me know about that also in the comment section. Let me see how many of you have watched those schemes in detail, Safurti and MSME CDP. Okay? So this government said we are going to help you here. अब ये भी होगा. अब आते हैं अगली चीज के ऊपर कि हमने गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्टिंग में इनिशियली गवर्नमेंट सेड वी आर गोइंग टू ऑफर अ 10,000 रिवॉर्ड टू वंस दे टेक द जीरो इफेक्ट प्लेज हियर. ओके, and that is for limited period. Now the government said up to rupees 5 lakh per MSMEs will be given for hand holding and consultancy support. क्योंकि हैंड होल्डिंग भी बोला था गवर्नमेंट करेगी, for that the government is going to give you rupees 5 lakh rupees. This is about this ZED scheme here. Let's again quickly revise this scheme. What are the basic things we are going to cover here? गवर्नमेंट सेड हमने काम करना है जीरो इफेक्ट प्लेज को लेके. उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट ने बोला हम क्या करेंगे, हम भाई आपको पहले तो सर्टिफाई करेंगे. 3 कैटेगरी, 1 2 3. 1 इज ब्रॉन्ज कैटेगरी, सेकेंड इज सिल्वर कैटेगरी, and third is the gold category. ठीक है. Then said we are going to give you the subsidies also for getting this ZED certification also. If you are a micro enterprise, ठीक है, you are going to get 80%, small 60%, medium 50%. यही गवर्नमेंट ने बोला था यहां पे करेंगे. देखो 80%, 60%, 50%, ये गवर्नमेंट ने बोला हम आपको देंगे. ठीक है. इन एडिशन इफ इट इज अ वुमेन और SC ST owned, what the government is saying 10%. Additional 10% will be given for women, SC ST, northeastern region. Additional 10% is going to be given here, or aspirational district. If it's a Safurti based, Safurti cluster, or it is a MSME CDP cluster, 5% additional will be given here. additional 5% will be given here. ठीक है जी? So that is all. If I sum up this scheme, guys, यही basic चीजें इसमें आपसे जिस पे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. It's a central sector scheme. That's another thing you need to remember here. Okay. So this was all about this session on the government scheme, guys. Okay. And before I end the session, I just wanted to give you the homework question. So please do let me know in the comment section what should be the answer for this specific question on the MSME Sustainable ZED certification scheme here. And now let's go to the homework question from the previous year. Okay. From the previous session, not previous year, we can say previous year also because अब वो 30 दिसंबर को सेशन लिया था तो वो प्रीवियस ईयर भी हो चुका है. चलिए वापस आते हैं इस चीज के ऊपर. बच्चों तो फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग द एमएसएमई सीडीपी और क्लस्टर डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम स्कीम. It was renamed as 2007. Absolutely right. The program supports the development of common facility centers with the funding pattern of 70% contribution from Government of India for project costing 5 to 10 crore rupees. Absolutely right. Then project costing rupees 5 crores are considered only to promote urban industries. No, it is only considered to promote rural industries, not urban industries. So that is why the answer will become option number A. 1 and 2 will be my right answer here. Okay. So this was all about the session, guys. If you have really enjoyed the session, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share the video with your friends also so that they can also take the benefit of this government scheme session. And also do let me know कि आपको story समझ आ रही है, story lines में मजा आ रहा है, because that is the main thing. It's something different we're going to try. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे बताओ कि कैसा मजा आ रहा है in the storyline formation. And also for the PDF, you can subscribe to our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Okay. So now, guys, for your strategy purpose, if you want to contact us, you guys can just drop us an email on our email ID, that is hello@edutab.co.in, or you guys can have a call with us on this number 81462 07241. On this note, I will be leaving you and will be meeting you in the next government scheme session. Till then, keep working hard, keep preparing hard, and also do let me know in the comment section on which scheme you want me to take the next session. Till then, keep working hard. Bye-bye.